Welcome to YouTube and thank you for tuning in today. What we're about to explore is not just another supercar, but a vision of the future brought to life by one of the most legendary names in the automotive world, Lamborghini. The car we're going to dive into today is the breathtaking 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto Phantom, a machine that blends raw power, futuristic design, and cutting-edge hybrid technology into an experience unlike anything else on the road. Let's start with the design. Because when it comes to Lamborghini, looks matter just as much as performance. The Phantom takes the already aggressive styling of the Revuelto and pushes it even further. With sharper aerodynamic lines, deeper sculpting, and reimagined air channels, this car doesn't just look fast standing still, it looks like it's braking. The sound barrier before you even turn the key. The front fascia has been redesigned with an even more angular signature, incorporating laser-thin LED headlights that give the car an almost predatory stare. Move around to the sides, and you'll notice Lamborghini's iconic scissor doors remain, but with even lighter carbon fiber construction. At the back, a massive active wing sits poised, capable of adjusting its angle instantly to maximize downforce or minimize drag depending on your driving mode. The Phantom truly looks like a hypercar sculpted by the wind itself. Of course, looks are only the beginning. Underneath that sculpted shell lies the beating heart of the Phantom, a hybrid powertrain that redefines what it means to blend combustion and electrification. Lamborghini has kept the glorious naturally aspirated V12 engine, a symbol of the brand's soul, but paired it with an advanced tri-motor electric system. Combined, this monster produces well over 100 horsepower, giving the Phantom acceleration that feels almost otherworldly. 0 to 60 is achieved in just under 2 seconds, making it one of the fastest production cars on the planet. The integration of electric motors also means that the car can deliver torque instantly, launching you forward with a force that feels more like a rocket than a road car. But raw numbers aren't the full story. Lamborghini engineered the Phantom with precision balance in mind. The electric motors allow for torque vectoring, which means every corner is handled with astonishing grip and control. Whether you're attacking a racetrack or cruising through winding mountain roads, the Phantom adapts in real time to give you an unparalleled driving experience. And while most hypercars might feel intimidating, Lamborghini has managed to make this machine both exhilarating and approachable, so drivers can enjoy its potential without fear. Step inside and the future becomes even more apparent. The interior of the Revuelto Phantom is a fusion of Italian craftsmanship and high-tech luxury. Carbon fiber, Alcantara, and leather dominate the cabin, all customizable in Lamborghini's endless palette of colors and materials. The centerpiece is a fully digital cockpit that can be configured to show everything from traditional gauges to advanced performance metrics, all wrapped in cutting-edge graphics. A central infotainment system provides seamless connectivity, allowing you to control everything, from drive modes to climate settings with intuitive gestures or voice commands. Even the passenger gets their own display, making every ride interactive. But perhaps the most impressive part of the interior is how Lamborghini has blended performance with sustainability. Many of the materials used are sourced with environmental responsibility in mind, showing that even in the world of extreme hypercars, sustainability is no longer an afterthought, it's a priority. Driving the Phantom is an experience that defies explanation. Engage the electric-only mode, and the car glides silently, perfect for city driving or late-night runs where you don't want to wake the neighbors. Switch to performance mode and the V12 roars to life, blending with the electric motors in a symphony of power that sends chills down your spine. Each mode offers a distinct personality, making the Phantom a car that adapts to every occasion. Of course, safety and technology play a major role here too. Advanced driver assistance systems, adaptive suspension, and predictive aerodynamics work in harmony to ensure not just blistering speed, but also absolute control and safety. Lamborghini has crafted the Phantom to be as smart as it is powerful, giving drivers confidence at any speed. In the end, the 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto Phantom is more than just a car, it's a statement. It represents Lamborghini's bold step into the future, one where tradition and innovation collide. It's the meeting point of the brand's legendary V12 heritage and the demands of a modern, electrified world. It's the kind of car that doesn't just get you from one place to another, it transforms every journey into an unforgettable experience. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Lamborghini Revuelto Phantom, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on the world's most exciting cars.